Hello students, let's learn today part 2 of lines and angles. Welcome to my channel It Maths. Let's visit our surroundings. You must have observed more than one lines or multiple lines. So let's learn about lines when more than one lines, how they are related, and when there are more than two lines, they may be parallel or they may not be parallel, which are called non-parallel lines. Now, which are the parallel lines? When the lines they never cross each other at any point when they are producing both ends endlessly, and those parallel lines they are equidistant from their corresponding points always. Here line M and N are parallel. Now non-parallel lines, if two lines are non-parallel, then they are crossing each other at a certain point, and that point is called intersecting point. When two lines cross each other at a common point, that common point is called intersecting point, and those two lines are called intersecting lines. You must have observed when more than one lines they are intersected by another line, some angles are also formed. Now let's learn more about it. When a line is intersecting more than one line, that line is called transversal. So what is transversal? Transversal is the line which is intersecting more than one line at distinct points. Here these are the lines which is intersected by another line L, which is called transversal because it is intersecting both lines at distinct points. Now let's learn about the angles formed by the transversal. So before going to learn the angles, let's know about the region or part. This is the exterior region and this is the interior region. So the angles formed exterior region are called the angles, exterior angles. So angle 1, 2, 7, 8 are exterior angles. Angle 3, 4, 5 and 8 are interior angles. Now alternate interior angles, which are called alternate angles. Alternate angles must be interior and must be present other side of transversal or opposite side of transversal. This is alternate interior angles, and pair of exterior alternate angles are present exterior and opposite side of transversal. Now pair of angles on the same side of transversal. So pair of angles on the same side of transversal are angle 3 and 5, angle 4 and 8, angle 1 and angle 6, 1 and 7. Now corresponding angles. Which are the corresponding angles? Corresponding angles must be present on the same side of transversal and also same side of line, or we can say that same position of those lines. So these are the pair of corresponding angles. Now if those lines are parallel or a transversal is intersecting a pair of parallel lines, then what about the angles formed between them? Let's learn. Now alternate angles are equal in measure. If line L and N are parallel, then alternate angles, angle 1 and angle 7 are equal, angle 2 and angle 8 are equal, angle 5 and angle 3 are equal. and angle 4 and angle 6 are equal. And also if these angles are equal, alternate angles are equal, then also we can say that line L and N are parallel. Now what about corresponding angles? Corresponding angles are also equal in measure. Which are the corresponding angles? Those angles which are present on the same side of transversal and also same side of line or the same position of those lines. So angle 1 and angle 5 are equal, angle 2 and 6 are equal, angle 7 and 3 are equal, and angle 4 and 8 are equal. And also we can say that if corresponding angles are equal, then those two lines are parallel. Now interior angles on the same side of transversal. These are 3 and 6 are interior angles, and also same side of transversal, they must be supplementary. That means they must be added up to 180 degree, and angle 4 and 5 are also supplementary. Similarly, the exterior angles also formed are supplementary. Angle 1 and angle 8 are supplementary. Angle 2 and angle 7 are supplementary. And if these angles are supplementary, then also we can say that angle L and N are parallel. So these are all about the angles formed by the transversal. Hope you enjoyed learning. Thank you.